Hi there Virgo, it's Maria from the Tarot Shop here with your reading for the month of February. If you haven't been to me before, I will pull one oracle card, which is the energy for the month, the overarching theme, and I will take, that fell out, so I'm going to take that, passion. Oh, goodness me. Right, what are you about to get really passionate and enthused about, Virgo? Let's see, and this is the tarot aspect. Okay, Virgo. Wow. Goodness me. What a lovely reading. Okay, so you begin the month feeling optimistic about new projects, lots and lots of things that are going on. So Virgo, you begin the month feeling quite passionate and quite enthused and very excitable. There's this beautiful energy that comes in and you feel differently about all the options and possibilities that they've done. So this is the card of lots of things to do. So you've got loads of things in the option, so you feel differently. You begin really feeling optimistic in February, and we're almost there, aren't we? So you should have a very happy start to the month, and you're feeling more, there's more promise to the future about all the things that you can do, all of the lovely opportunities. It feels as if there's lots of activity as well at the beginning of the month. Super busy, you're here, there and everywhere, emails, telephone calls, just super busy, and it's a good thing. It does get slightly overwhelming, but it's okay for you, Virgo. I know you can handle it. Okay, so you've got then a situation here that arises where you step into your power. So you've got the empowerment card here with the strength, which says, I feel strong now, and you're getting some clarity, okay? The clarity is something you've been looking for, and it's around what way should I go? What direction should I take? So you're then able to take the rose-tinted spectacles off and see things in a very practical manner, and things as you should be seeing them. So you'll see clearly. You make a decision to change your world, to create financial stability and freedom for the future. Now you've got the world, which says, I want you to understand this chapter of your life is closing. So you are feeling very optimistic about that, and towards the end of February, really significant this is. You've got, this is a major arcana. You've got two major arcanas here. Very pivotal month. Something will shift, something will change. One phase of your life, whatever it has been, will end, and you will move towards financial security. Now, the Ten of Pentacles is it's old money, established money. It's an inheritance, or it is from a bank or a building. It's like an institution, that kind of, it's old earned money, and that's at the end of that. So you're stepping into this. The world is at your feet at the end of February. It's amazing. And your opportunities to create that kind of financial security. I don't necessarily see wealth. It's not necessarily that you want wealth. It's that you want financial security. You don't want to have to worry about money. Nobody really wants to do that. And at the end of the month, at the end of February, that's coming to you. You're going to see and feel very passionate about the future, and very passionate about what's on offer for you. Okay, so that's it, Virgo. I hope that you found that helpful. If it doesn't resonate, if you think it doesn't feel right for you, then also check out your moon or your rising signs, because there may be a message from the tarot for you there instead. Okay, thanks very much for your time. Bye-bye.